Okay, we got 3 more of these capacitors to do. 2 of them are right here. And these ones, they should be really easy. These are 6800 picofarad, which is the same as a 0.06 or 0.068, 0.07. I got 0.06s here. I'm going to use those. Okay, let's see how easy we can get these ones out. Get these 3 done, and my reward is I can stop for lunch. That's pretty easy. Right out of there. Likewise here. Right out of that connector. Easy as can be. Take this right off of here. Not quite so easy. Ah. Didn't want it to freeze up. Okay, so what I was doing there is I melt the solder, then I keep the lead moving, and then the solder doesn't freeze the component lead, and if I'm lucky, and I may not be, I can cut it right in the bend, so to speak, and it didn't work. And get the piece right out of there. That doesn't look like it worked. Doesn't really matter. Anyway. Get rid of the excess leads here. Sort of squeezing the wire down onto something that's just a blob of solder. Anyway, it's going to melt away. So, what I think, if I just pull on this while we melt this blob here, we'll get a good connection. Which we did. And then we'll just let that drop in there. There's that one. Now we'll take this guy off. And won't even try pulling them out. Get rid of the excess leads. Same thing here. If I just melt off the solder, I should be able to pull this. Pull this into a good connection. There we are. And then this guy goes like so. Push them in, push them in. That was pretty easy compared to those other ones. There we go. Now, you know what I'm just reminded of? Just a little ways up the way here. Is the wire to nowhere. Which I'm really tempted to solder to that spot there. And we still have the flying wire to find. Oh, guess what? I think I found the flying wire. And look at that. Okay, let's get this up here. That's our last capacitor, and sitting right below it is the flying wire. Okay, we don't have to worry about that anymore. That looks like an easy one to change. Looks like 0.047. Hey, what's this? What's going on there? This looks like this wire has been resoldered in there. Nip it away. From this last terminal, I'm saying to myself so I don't forget. Likewise here. Angles are not favorable here for my cutter. There we go. Out you come, 0.047. 0.047. 0.047. So you want to go 0.05 or 0.04? 0.05 is just a little closer. So we'll go with a 0.05. Ooh, cut the leads a little short there. I have a feeling that this connection down here is going to come apart when I put solder on it. Let's see what happens. adjusting the camera here. Well, we just have to go with that. Yeah. There's a big honking connection of everything here. This is not good. I don't think I'm getting enough heat flow here. Oh, my hand's a little shaky. So put some solder in, that'll improve the heat flow. Now the stupid capacitors come right off the connection, for crying out loud. Okay. Let's try it again. I mean, not only is this a big blob of solder, but it's also a ground point onto the chassis. So this is a tough guy to heat up and get flowing. Yeah, it's cooling itself right off very quickly. Yeah. It's on there, but I don't think it's very good. Let's see if we can get the other side on. This will go on a little better. That'll solder nicely. Now, I can work on that other connection. Just a sec. And there we are.